How to create Wiz account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar, you have to search for Wiz account sign up. In here you have to move into this site. You will be landing on the official page of Wiz. Tap on Agree. Now what you want to do is simply tap on Login at the top right corner and then head over to Sign Up. Well, you can create your account from your different ID. One is your Facebook ID, your Google ID, and your Apple ID. You can sign up with any of the account that you want to. Let me tap on Continue with Google. Select the specific Google account that you want to sign up for your Wiz account. Tap on Confirm. Now wait for a while for it to process. And there you go, your Wiz account has been created successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create your Wiz account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.